What's up, YouTube? We got a busy day. You got Jimmy here doing his oil change.
Yeah. Know the vibes.
Yeah.
Bro, the whisper mad oil, bro.
Yeah, I bet it did. Alright,
What's on this side?
Yeah, I bet.
You got some cleaner?
Water. Alright, but we're not talking about Jamie's oil change today, alright? We're talking about these brand new NRG seats. Alright, so these are the NRG FRP, I think 310s, I believe. These are like the medium ones. And honestly, when they say medium and the large, it's like only like an inch bigger. I don't really see a difference, so I fit perfectly in the mediums. And a lot of my friends, even my biggest friend, fits in this one, so it's perfect. So, I'm gonna put these in the car because it's really windy and talk about them there. Try and block the camera from the breeze and shit. Alright, so first initial thoughts of this. Kinda got it in the seating position like how I want it. Knees arched, not too arched. Extended, push the pedal all the way down. I could go a little bit more. Gas, same, that's perfect, you know. Steering wheel not hitting my knees. So this is actually a perfect spot. Jamie was just sitting here. He's like the tallest person here right now. So, and the seat can't go back any further. So where he's sitting is perfect. His knees a little bit bent, that's fine. It's a small car. I didn't really think it was that much of a small car. Well, honestly, no, the cage makes it really small because it kind of diminishes your space. But you know what? It's doable. Anything for, yeah, anything for performance, right? So, this is not bad. So, I'm gonna make my marks. It's also centered. Just, I gotta wash these again. All this movement and stuff. But yeah, everything's centered. Seatbelt bar is perfect. Oh, well, not bad. Door bar is perfect. Open the door. Oops. Hold the seat up just a little bit. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Cool. So I got the old steering wheel in here just test fitting for right now. It's not the final steering wheel, but it's a nice little test fit. Right, so time to get a Sharpie and start marking where these seat rails are going. I'm just gonna weld these seats in because this seat cannot go back anymore. And this seat, I probably have like another inch, but really not much. So my driving position is going to be final in this car since it is my car. You know, there should be no reason why I should add any, you know, racks or seat rails. So, all right, let's weld these in, mark them up and weld them in. All right, well, lining this up, I realized that I have to put in these door bars first to see how the occupant, you know, how close it comes to the occupant and whatnot. So let me get those and I can start marking this shit down. You see it's already like, it's gonna be fun. Wow. All right.
Yeah.
What are your initial thoughts on this?
Initial thoughts? Full send, man. We're gonna full send it.
Full send.
Full send based off.
All right. Now, how's the seating position?
Seating position is good. Good enough. 6'1".
6'1".
A little big.
See, he's got his feet over there. You know what I mean? Dashboard might be up. All right. So move the seat back a little bit. Yeah. I'll be probably like perfect. Because the dashboard is gonna be like here-ish. So it's a small car. So and the cage just makes it smaller. Ta-da. Alright. Perfect, right?
Spacious.
Alright. So now I'm gonna start marking this shit. Stay there. Alright. So I ain't recording getting in, but I'm recording coming out.
Getting out?
Yeah.
Man.
This door bar shit. Alright. Try to it is a race car. You have to grab the roof, stick your legs around the bar, and then get out. Yep.
Easy.
Easy? Alright. Lit. Alright guys, both of the seats are in. Oh, wow, this is coming together really nicely. Sheesh. Let me get in here and block the wind noise. Alright. So, as you can see, the seat is perfectly aligned, so I can hit the clutch. Oh, sheesh, I gotta weld this shit in. Yeah, it's perfectly aligned. Hit the clutch, gas, brake. This is not the this is the original steering wheel, but I'm not going to be using this steering wheel. But it's a nice template, so it's really nice. Knees are perfectly even and everything. Passenger seat looks amazing. You know, the passenger seat sits farther back more than the driver's seat, just so I can fit, you know, taller passengers, you know, with the dashboard here, like here in this area. I don't want their knees to be hindered while I go into the glove box or something. So that's basically it. Seats are installed, nice seatbelt handles, everything works perfect. Alright, so next video hopefully I'll be putting in the dashboard and then loading in the rest of the cage. So yeah, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Never forget, never stop modifying.